You had an amazing interview with Kirk Hammett. I'm a huge Metallica fan.
Same here.
There's a lot of interesting stuff that came out of that from that conversation. One is the distinction between heavy metal and hard rock, which is very interesting. Of course, Metallica went through their own evolution. They had many periods. I mean, they've been around 40 years.
Over 40 years, yeah. Crazy.
The other thing is the downpicking, which was interesting, which is creating that really distinct sound.
James and Kirk's the down the down picking. I used to be able to do that. I just can't do that anymore. It hurts my thumb to do it. I think honestly, I thought a lot about it. It's like, why is it so painful? Why is it so hard? It's from swiping with your thumb on phones. And I think it affects that basal joint there. And I'm just like,
I love your theories.
I think that's actually right. Because I'm thinking like, why does that hurt so much to do that? All the downstrokes and stuff. It's like, got to be something. It's like, yeah, it's from swiping with the phone.
The other thing that came through is that he's an improviser at heart. And that I think clashes with this kind of rigid structure that metal is. So there's a real soulful, melodic aspect to him. And he gave a lot of props to James Hetfield for just being a great composer, being a great musician and writer of riffs, of rhythm.
The improvisation part of it you don't think of because because you have the finished songs that you listen to. But those songs are born out of improvisations, of jams, of little fragments of ideas, and then they craft them into these masterpieces.
Also, you mentioned that this is weird that I didn't know that Hendrix used different gauges, strings.
Yeah, he was the one that talked about that, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really interesting. See, these are the things that I like to learn from these interviews with these people. I was like, what? Why have I never heard of that?
It's one of the ways you can find uniqueness of sound is by trying different things that are not. I mean, I guess Zappa was really good at this, right?
Yeah.
It's completely breaking out of what you're supposed to do, the ways you're supposed to do them, and doing it completely differently.